186.74 for Carl. 186.74. Now, all these tractors were built before 1980. Few of the guys that had those cages were on personal safety, but some of them are still like they were when they pulled back in the day. Save cut tires, save old big rubber to sleep. But they're running them hard, putting on a show. I believe we're looking at good. 171.25 with a 5-volt explosion. Larry McVeigh with 171.25. I think we need a tow tractor. I'm almost going to bet we need a tow tractor.